My only desire is that India should be a God producer and no one should be hungry, shedding tears for food in the country. It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free and to defend it. Freedom is his duty. Every Indian should now forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh or a Jat. He must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in his country but with certain duties. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. It is in my nature to be a friend of the friendless.
A war based on satyagraha is always of two kinds. One is the war we wage against injustice, and the other we fight our own weaknesses.
Non-violence has to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our non-violence